Today I show you how to open a can of Pepsi with the Swiss Army knife. Take the can, get your Swiss Army knife. This is like the universal tool. You can do anything with this. You don't need a fork, you don't need a spoon. It has a knife. Let's try it. So this is the Swiss Army knife. It has the can opener too. This here. You could also use a knife, but using the can opener. Get your Pepsi. The important part here, the important bit. Take the can opener, Pepsi, and you can see at the bottom here it has some markings and it's nice and cold. Take the Swiss Army knife, can opener, the can of soda, Pepsi, and this is the important part here. Get the hook under this ring. Get the hook under this ring. And you didn't ruin your nails. Congratulations. Because you have a Swiss Army knife. Actually, this is pretty useful. I wanted to make it as a joke, but it worked pretty well actually. If you want to remove this pull tab, you do like this. Got some Pepsi on my lens. Oh, almost got it in the camera. Okay. That's all. Ready for the it's ready for the next time. I actually like it. I think it's a Christmas gift, a nice Christmas gift. So if you're looking to get someone a Christmas gift, this is the Victorinox Tinker, but I think the Victorinox Ranger or Handyman. Maybe I'll get a Handyman for Christmas. Victorinox Handyman or Victorinox Ranger. Which one you think is better? Let me know. Okay. Cool. Today I show you how to open a can of Pepsi with the Swiss Army knife.